Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have a Microsoft account and a payment option that matches your billing country. Sign in at account. Microsoft. And confirm your profile address shows Romania or a supported country. Make sure your currency and billing address match the payment method. Once done, buy an Xbox gift card in euros if you prefer prepaid funds. Doing this avoids region currency mismatches later, so make sure your details are consistent before moving to subscription purchase or code. You now choose whether to redeem a prepaid code or buy directly. If you have a gift card, redeem it in your Microsoft account before subscribing. That adds balance in the proper currency. If buying, select Game Pass, Console, or Ultimate in the Microsoft Store and pay with the prepared method. On Xbox, navigate Store right arrow subscriptions and confirm the plan. The console will show price in the account's currency. Make sure the account balance or card covers the first recurring payment. You finish by signing into the console or Xbox app with the same Microsoft account. Game Pass membership appears under subscriptions and unlocks downloads. Install your chosen games and verify they run. If something goes wrong, first confirm your Microsoft account country and billing currency match the payment method, then clear console cache, sign out and back in, or re-enter the redeem code. If problems persist, contact Microsoft support using the account support options to resolve billing or activation errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.